Hello nursery, welcome back and welcome to our math session for today. First of all, we're going to use our lovely story that we've been looking at, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and I know it is a favourite of so many of yours. So, the first challenge today is to think about all that fruit that the hungry caterpillar ate through in the story. I have got some pictures here of the fruit, and I wondered if you can remember the fruit that was in the story. What's this one? Well done. Pears. Can anyone remember this one? Plums. Pears and plums. That's alliteration as well there, isn't it? They both start with a P sound. What about these? What fruit? That's right, strawberries. Can anyone hear the sound for strawberries? Strawberries. That's it, the S sound. Now we've got some oranges, the O sound, oranges. And lastly, we've got apple, A for apple. There's our apple. Now our job today is to see if we can use our counting skills to count how many pieces of fruit we have got. How many of each fruit? Now some of you will be able to look at the picture cards and just say straight away how many there are. If you can do that, I want you to use your checking skills to check. So count to check how many actually we do have. Shall we start? What fruit is this to start with? Yep, that's the pears. Just going to blue tack it up to my little board. Can you see there? The pears. There we are. Now we're going to have to count the pears. If you think you know already just by looking, use the pointy finger to count with me to check. Let's count together, pointing at each fruit we count. 1, 2. Now we know how many, but do we know what the number 2 looks like? If you can, have some number cards written out. Just write the numbers on a piece of paper, ask a grown-up to help you if you need to. Let me have a quick look at these flashcards we remember. Number 1, let's say them as we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to lay out all those cards and I want us to see if we can find the number 2 for the pear. When you found it, point to it. That's right, here it is. We'll just blue tack it next to our pears so we know. So the number 2 and 2 pears. Let's carry on and do that for the rest of the fruit. So we know we've got 2 pears. They can stay together. Let's get another group of fruits. Who can remember what these ones were? That's it, they're plums. Well done, nursery. We've got some plums. Let's count. Don't forget, if you know them already by looking, use that pointy finger to count to check your thinking. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 3 plums. Looking back at our number cards, look at those number cards. You can either just point to mine to recognise them or ask a grown-up to draw out those numbers for you if you need some help. Yep, that's right, 3. So then we can put the 3 next to our plums. 1, 2, 3, and here is our number 3. Good matching. We've got some more fruit still from the story. Oh, we like these at snack time, don't we? An apple. We'll pop that on our board. You all know this one, nursery. Shout it out for me. How many have we got? 1. Brilliant. Looking at our number cards, can you find the correct number for the amount of apples? Point to it. Have a go at finding it in your number cards at home. That's it. Well done, nursery. Number 1 and 1 apple. Super duper. Let's carry on until we can count all those pieces of fruit. Oh, strawberries. How many have you got? See if you can count them for me. I'm just going to blue tack it up onto the board. And now we have to look. Oh, we have to count first. Use that pointy finger for me and count how many strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Look at the number cards. Which one is number 4? I know lots of you know this. This is your number now, isn't it? Brilliant. Number 4. And we'll blue tack it to our board. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our numeral, our number 4. We've got 1 fruit left. I think you probably guessed it by now. What fruit is that? That's right, it's oranges. Let's blue tack that to our board. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a look, see if you can find that number card. There it is. Blue tack it up. So that's what our number 5 looks like. That's its name, label, and this is how many. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing maths nursery. Keep those counting skills going. We're going to need them in the next teaching video to learn about ordering the numbers. See you in a minute.